Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to create a Facebook page. This could also be the Facebook page for business if you may. You can use the page for anything you desire to. I'm going to show you step by step in this video how to go about this, guys. So guys, let's jump in right away. Alright, the very first thing you have to do obviously is to make sure that you have a Facebook account. For those who don't have an account already, please, there's a video on this channel which shows you how to make an account on Facebook to create an account, and as many as you want, please go ahead and create an account for yourself. Right, once that's done, guys, you can log into your account right here. This is mine, as you can see right here. I do have a couple of accounts, but this is an account I'm using for this video. Okay, so the very first thing you do, guys, is to log into your account, guys, and then once you log in, guys, you can refresh your page and it should look like this. Normally this is the home feed page, and then you can go right here. You can see right here on your left side, you can see your name and your profile picture. You can see friends, marketplace, you can see pages, groups, watch, memories saved, and all that. Guys, do not click right here. It's going to show you the pages that you have if you click right here. So I'm going to show you how to go about this the correct way. So to do this, guys, you have to go to the right side of your screen right here, and then you can click on this menu right here. The first one says menu. Click right there, and then it shows you this page here. You see events, friends, groups, news feed, favorites, most recent, and pages. Right, click right here where it says pages. Click right there, and then you can see here this is going to be a list of all your pages. Right, this is the right way to go about it, guys, on this Facebook account. Okay, so guys, you can see right here I've got various pages right here that I created. You can see right here they're active, they are for business and all that, and you can see this one, for example. This is a full-blown page, as you can see right here, 13 likes and 16 followers. All right, you can see right here is a real page, an active page as well. I've done a bit of promotion on this page a few times, as you can see. So guys, this is a real page, guys. So I'm going to show you how to create a page that looks even better than this, guys. So the very first thing you do, guys, is to let's go back, guys, to see the list of pages right here, and then you can click on the right side here where it says create a new page. All right, click right there. It says create new page, and then this is what you find. All right, so your page is where people go to learn more about you. So let's include a page name, a category, and a bio. The bio is optional, as you can see. So a page name, let's just say test Facebook. Okay, test Facebook page. Okay, and let's put the category here should be education. Let's say education website. Okay, and the bio here, I'll say we create videos to inform the public, inform them about, to inform the public on how to navigate tech. Okay, let's just say this, and then this is your page right here. Your page is asking you to add you can see right here, this is where your profile picture should be, excuse me, and this is where your cover photo should be as well. So guys, once you click right here, your page will be created. Let's click right there, and it's loading. As you can see right here, it's loading. Give it a few seconds. And it says your test FB page was created. You can now add images or go to your page to add more details. Okay, so this page is now active. Right, so let's scroll down, guys, and see here. Now the account, the page is active. You can add the website address right here, add the phone number, add the email address, add the location address, add the town, city, postcode right here. This can all be be added right here. So if you got yours, please populate these tabs right here. All right, so you can see right here, if you have a location like a site, right, where you operate from, you can actually add your hours of work right here. If you're always open, that's what you choose, and you can select the hours that you open as well. So that's how this works. If you click right here, it gives you a bunch of options right here, Monday, Tuesday, throughout the week, right? Tells you when you're open and when you're closed, and so people can know when they go through your Facebook page. So that's how this works, guys. If you have a business, guys, you need to have this, because you have over 1 billion users on Facebook, so you should have this, right? So right, so if you're done with this page, you can click on next right here, and it goes to next. It says here upload your cover photo, your profile picture, and your cover photo, right? So guys, if you don't want your page to be disabled, right, if you want your page to be like to be recognized by Facebook, right? The reason I'm saying this is because, yes, you have a page without a profile picture, but if your page doesn't have a picture and you want to promote your page, you could have problems, right? You could have your ads not going through. So I would say to you, if you really want to have a page that will last a while, make sure you have your profile picture right here and have your cover photo as well here. All right, so once you do that, guys, you can add action if you want to. Perhaps you're wondering what's an action button. Let's click right there. An action right here says here you can customize this. Let's try it. You can have here book now, sign up, start order, view shop, get tickets, and all this could be here. This is what you find on most pages, guys. You find call now, right? Let's say you have a site, a physical location. You can add this button here that says call now. It's going to be somewhere on your profile. I'm going to show you where on your profile it's going to be. It's going to be somewhere here in your profile. Here they say call. The call button will be somewhere here. So that's how that works, guys. If you add action, okay, let's add an action. For example, let's add an action, like let's see call now. Okay, call now, and let's do that, and let's go to next, and it's saying here phone number. Okay, so let's go back and add some. Let's add let's say send email, right? No, let's do something else. But anything you do, guys, basically if you choose this get tickets, you will see that's okay. Let's go here to next event on Facebook. Yes, next, and save. And then, guys, when you make your page, you will find that get tickets right here. Okay, somewhere here you find the get tickets. That's the way it works normally when you add an action button. All right, so if you go to next, guys, click on next. You can invite friends to your page, guys. So normally what happens is, once you have a new page, Facebook gives you the chance to invite your friends so they can actually like your page and follow your page, and that's very important, guys. Your page looks more genuine when you have followers on it, right? When people like your page as well, it's going to show your page likes. So that's very important. Let's go to next, guys, next, and go to here. It says here page notifications on your profile. So if you want to add this, guys, you can tick this or tick out if you want. It all depends on you. I'm going to leave this on by default and go to done. So once we click on done right here, our page is going to be ready to go, right? So once this is clicked right here, there we go. We have our brand new Facebook page alive and active, right? So you can use this. You can promote here and do whatever we want on this page, as you can see. All right. Guys, next, if for any reason you get confused about the Facebook page, you can simply go right here to this three dots here, these three dots right here. Click right there, and you can see this option that says here start tour. Here, Facebook can take you through a tour and just show you where things are on your page. Click on next. It keeps going this way and telling you where things are, how to manage your page, and all that. As you can see right here, this is what Facebook has put in place to help new page owners to navigate through their page. So just in case, guys, that's very useful as well to go through that. And go ahead, guys, and populate your page and put your picture right here and a cover photo right here, and edit your bio as well, because every page has a bio, right? You want a page that has got a bio, and people would like to follow you as well. If you have a bio, you look more authentic if you have a bio populated. Alright, guys, that's how to create a Facebook page, and I hope it was useful. If it was, please leave a like, subscribe, share the video, and comment as well. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye now.